550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Mayday.
For Mayday.
Mayday, 50170 kilo, I got it on control.
November 17 kilo, SoCal approach, Roger, what do you need? 5717 kilo, SoCal.
SoCal 17 kilo, it seems like my yoke came off.
So you said your wheel came off? November 5717 kilo, SoCal approach. As you can hear this, the field is off of your 11 o'clock and 5 miles. November 5717 kilo, 5717 kilo. As you can hear the transmission, the field is off of your 11 o'clock, 5 miles. 5717 kilo, 5717 kilo. Contact Van Nuys Tower 19-3. The field is off of your 11 o'clock, 5 miles.
November 5717 kilo, Van Nuys Tower, you on? Say again last.
77907, we're 16 right at Charlie for straight out.
Number 79087, Van Nuys Tower. Hold, expect indefinite delay for now. Emergency aircraft inbound.
See that?
2017 kilo, if you can hear this transmission, click your transmitter twice. November 5717 kilo, Van Nuys Tower, if you can hear this transmission, runway 16 right or left, cleared to land.
1 kilo, 5717 kilo. If you can hear this transmission, you're cleared to land 16 left or right.
For all the emergency vehicles, we have a Mooney short final landing in about 10 seconds. They are unable to communicate with us. We don't have information or anything what's going on other than they're having a few issues.
City Ops, Van Nuys, you on frequency? Next to land emergency aircraft, short final 16 right.
Tower, Delta 50, copy.
City Ops 18, it's a Mooney. Over the threshold of runway 16 right.
It looks like it's going around.
25717 kilo, Van Nuys Tower. You're cleared to turn right, make right close traffic back to runway 16 right. If you can hear this frequency, your gear appears up. Gear appears up. Now it's down. Gear appears down. 3 down, appears gear down.
Crash 114, the aircraft appears to maybe have some problems with maneuverability. They're at the south end now going down. So they're right there at the southeast corner as we speak.
November 5717 kilo, Van Nuys Tower. Wind 130 at 10, gusts 15.
Okay, for all the crash vehicles, the aircraft appears to have gained some lift. They are low level and they are attempting to come back to the airport.
25717 kilo, this is Van Nuys Tower. As you pass the control tower midfield, your gear appears down. And again, runway 16 right or left, clear to land.
217 kilo, if you hear these transmissions, you appear to have gear down.
5717 kilo, SoCal. 17 kilo, the Van Nuys Tower just advised me it appears that all 3 of your wheels are geared down and locked. You're still clear to land 16 left or right.
Number 17 kilo, Van Nuys Tower, if you can hear this, it now appears that your back right wheel is not down.
17 kilo.
25717 kilo, Van Nuys Tower, Van Nuys altimeter 3002, say request.
Right now, 17 kilo. What's not down, you told me?
217 kilo, it appears that your back right wheel was not down. You're clear to land on runway 16 left or runway 16 right, or you can continue in the overhead low approaches to the field. We'll get a better look at the back rear wind tire.
17 kilo, can you see it now?
17 kilo, I suggest you do another low approach, runway 16 right, so I can observe your back right wheel.
Not a CFR, so I'm actually flying the passenger side, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. If you could observe it right now so I could do a short approach and land. That would be perfect.
Windy 17 Kilo, your back right wheel now appears down. You're cleared to land any runway, 16 left or runway.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to try to land right now.
Yep, now gear appears down from the tower. November 5717 Kilo, gear appears down.
Tower City Ops 18, holding shore 16 right at Charlie for inspection.
City Ops 18 at Charlie, proceed on 2 runway 16 right. Any responding emergency personnel may proceed on 2 runway 16 right. Windy 17 Kilo, great job, sir. And we got City Ops behind you and a responding emergency fire truck. Say your request when able.
My breath right now.
Hey, good job. You're welcome to, if able, to taxi off the runway. If not, no worries. Great job, man.
For tower 45 Kilo, I parked at my avionics. I could do a taxi off if that's possible.
Number 17 Kilo, thank you. Go ahead and follow this City Ops personnel. That'll be your follow me truck to exit runway 16 right at Romeo. And just follow them. No need to talk with us anymore. City Ops will do the transmitting for you. And let me know if you require any assistance in the cockpit for now or you're able to taxi.
Able to taxi. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. God bless you guys.
Hey, no worries. God bless you. And again, just follow that truck, the City Ops with the emergency lights on. They'll do the transmitting for you from now, and they'll escort you to parking. Have a good one.